What is pipeline, first of all? Natural language processing. Pipeline in the sense, I'm not talking about the building construction. So what is pipeline? The sequence of processes. For example, this is what your natural language pipeline. Okay, this is a representative pipeline. So on a case-to-case basis, you need to, this one can change. But, this is the first step. It is common for everything. Like even the case of structured data, first you do the data pre-processing, isn't it? You need to pre-process the data because the data what you receive it is a raw data, right? So you need to, but it's a structured data, but still you need to make sure that the quality of the data is good, isn't it? You need to do the deduplication in case of any duplicate records are there, and in case of any missing values are there, you need to perform some kind of data imputation and so on. But when it comes to text, it is an unstructured data. Even in the case of text, you need to do the pre-processing, text pre-processing. You need to convert them as a structured data. Only then your machine learning model can make a classification or so. Okay, like a typical the ML program, any ML the model, right? So before you train your model, you need to pre-process the data, and then you need to extract the feature selection, right? So here you need to extract the features, and then only you are good to go with train your model. Okay, so the first right, as part of text processing, these are the tasks that we usually, typically, conventionally carry out this, right? So tokenization, lower casing, and convert the the text into lowercase. So what happens is you have a mix of lowercase and uppercase. Better you convert everything to lowercase, okay? And then a stop word removal. How to remove the stop word, and punctuation removal, HTML, stemming, lemmatization, all these tasks that you will be carrying out as part of your text pre-processing. And then what you do is once you, for example, once you splitted your text into words, and then you do on a case-to-case basis, you convert into lower cases, remove the stop word, everything, and then do stemming lemmatization. And then what you do is you do the feature extraction using different models like bag of words model or term frequency, inverse document frequency. This is another technique using which you can extract the features. So in this case, what we do is we convert the tokens into numbers, numericals. Okay, so only then the machines can understand. Okay, and then some cases we do one-hot encoding, and some cases word embedding, because the bow model and term frequency, to overcome the limits of bow model, there is something else called TF-IDF came into picture. Again, to overcome the limitation of TF-IDF, there are something like word embeddings came into picture. Okay. Now let us explore these are the each and every step as part of the text pre-processing. So to start with, let us understand what is tokenization. Tokenization is nothing but splitting your text into smaller units called tokens. Okay, it can be done at the sentence level or word level also. You can do. First, you can split the sentences separately, and and then word level you can split it. Okay, you can do tokenization at the this is a crucial step in any NLP task because it serves as the foundation for your many downstream NLP tasks. Okay, and it enables the computer to process and analyze the task very effectively, guys. Okay. So now the question is, why tokenization is required? You might be asking this question. Tokenization is fine, splitting the text into words or sentences or words, right? Fine. Why should I do that? Why should I do that? Because it is tokenization is a crucial step. Okay. So the text data is by nature, it is unstructured, right? And the transform tokenization, what it does is it transforms it into a structured format so that it can be easily processed by your computer. That is the whole idea of doing the tokenization. The text data is inherently unstructured, and tokenization turns into a structured format that can be easily processed by computer. It allows the machines to manipulate and analyze text more efficiently. Okay, and then with the when you do tokenization, you can extract the features also, right? So you can do a feature extraction, and we can create the vocabulary. You can perform statistical analysis. Okay. But this is a crucial step. Remember that as part of your text pre-processing. Okay. So what is the question? Feature extraction, huh? Soundarya? Yeah, so as part of feature extraction, once you are done with the text pre-processing, the next step is feature extraction. There, what we do is we convert the text data into numerical features. Features are nothing but the columns, okay? So that will be used as input to your models, machine learning models. So end of the day, you want to do some classification, everything, right? Text classification, everything. You need to have a structured data. You need to convert your unstructured text data into structured data. How you can do that? With the help of tokenization. Not only tokenization, there are other steps are there. That the first step is the tokenization. You split the sentences into words, and then you remove the stop words, the most frequently occurring words that you need to remove. Now the question is, how do I do the tokenization, right? So how do I do the tokenization? There are different techniques are available. You have something called Spacy package. How many have heard about the Spacy package? Yes, you are correct. So we have something called Spacy package, using which also we can do that. Yeah. 1 second, I'm getting some calls. So how many of you have installed